Good morning to everyone. Today we will continue our remaining topics of grasslands, and today's topics are climate, people, natural resources and economy of grasslands. So let's begin with the climate. As we move from east to west, the rainfall in the prairies decreases. The central part is dry, but the regions close to the mountains and the east and the north are moist. The prairies have extreme climatic conditions. Summers are hot while winters are cold, and most of the moderate rainfall which takes place in the prairies happens in the form of heavy showers during the winters. This is accompanied by heavy snowfall, and the amount of rainfall in a year varies between 50 to 70 centimeter. Next is people. Cattle and cowboys play an important role in the prairies. Cowboys were considered to be the working class of the cattle industry, and the historic cowboys of the prairies belonged to a number of ethnic groups reflecting American society. Most of them were African American, and English, Irish, German, and French immigrants also settled in the prairies. They were bound together by the reputation of their common outfit, their teamwork, and harsh working conditions on the grasslands. Now the farmers have huge farms, and all the farmers have farmhouses and homesteads where they stay along with their families. Next is natural resources. Petroleum, natural gas, and lignite coal can be found in huge quantities in the prairies, and these are mined here as well. Of late, several oil refineries and ore crushing factories have also come up in this region. Wind power is abundantly available over here, and a significant amount of the country's wind power comes from this region. And the last topic is economy. Dairy farming, animal rearing, food processing, especially meat products, and milk form an important part of the economy. Intensive agriculture is practiced, that is, most of the work like seeding, sowing, irrigation, sprinkling fertilizers, ploughing, threshing, etc. is done by machines, which wheat farming takes place on a large scale using sophisticated machines which produce more wheat per acre, which is exported to the other countries of the world. Breeding and rearing of beef cattle is dominant in these regions, and sheep ranching is undertaken primarily for the production of wool. And the huge grasslands have the cattle and horses in grazing. There are commercial farms called the ranches, and here animals are reared for their meat, milk, and other products. The beef farmed over here is exported to countries in Europe, and Chicago is an important center in this context, and a lot of these farms also export dairy products. So children, today we have completed our chapter 10, and in the next session we will do our exercises, the back exercises. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.